Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy, and in this channel, I mainly focus on psychology so that you can know more about yourself and others. Okay, let's go to today's topic. I want to talk about following your gut feeling and your intuitions when it comes to choosing your partners, your dating, relationships, or even your friends. Have you ever dated somebody, who looks perfect on the paper, but you just felt deep down something's off? It happens to me so many times. I felt something, it's not right, but I ignored it. I would like to rely on my mind to make the decision. I felt like, oh, come on, Daisy, don't be too picky. He's so good, everything is perfect. Why are you know, so picky? But I realized it is not about picky. It is that my gut feeling is telling me something is not right, but my mind cannot explain. My mind doesn't find the right reason to supply my gut feeling, so that I choose to ignore. I choose to ignore the feeling, the gut feeling, or my mind pretended that it didn't hear. But I realized when it comes to choosing a partner or your friends, it is never about your mind. It is always about your gut feeling. Even though think about this, even though you think you made a good decision, it is not that you relied on your mind to make the decision. It is that your mind and heart are united so that, oh yeah, there is no argument between the two. So there is no argument so that you finally feel the right feeling of making the decision. As long as there is a split between your mind and your heart, we always follow the heart. We always. It delays because the mind needs some time to finally convince itself that, okay, then it's time to walk away. That's the first reason. And the second, I found that I felt hard to walk away, to wave goodbye to somebody who doesn't resonate with me. Is that I feel like I don't want to hurt them deep down, because I know saying no to somebody hurts. So then I don't want to say no to them because I don't want to be very harsh. But then I changed my mind. I realized, no, Daisy. If you cannot fully be with somebody, you cannot give them the best version of you. At that point, from that perspective, it is not that they don't deserve. It's not that they don't deserve you. It is that you don't deserve them. They also need and deserve somebody to be with them fully, not politely, just like you. Why don't you just give them the freedom? It is not always about protecting our time and energy. It is also about realize other people are not there to be liked by you. They did nothing wrong, and you did nothing wrong neither. So you just say goodbye and walk away and wish each other good luck. And that's it. Very simple. When you realize that there is no judgment, there is no blaming. You just follow your heart because okay, because I don't want to waste others' time, not only mine, but other people's time as well. Okay, so that's today's video. I hope that you can truly know how to follow your heart and trust your intuition when it comes to interpersonal relationships. And if you also want to know how to make people like you immediately, I had a PDF guide, and I dropped it in the comment below. You can click the link, and that price is only for my subscribers, because I really want to see sex for everyone who is staying with me. And I hope you have a nice day. I'm gonna see you in my next one. See you. Bye bye.